So, what's going on, man? Talk to me. Tell the people how special these subs are, how rare these subs are, and what we got going on.
Mr. James Carroll, where your car came from. This is his motor. This is his Ultra 10 famous motor from way back, y'all.
Way back in the days.
Yeah, back in the 1900s, for real. But the ones that we used through the 2000s, you know, and so these are 6 prototype, I guess you could say they're Soundqubed 15s that we were playing with. Efficiency and low watts.
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna have to rebuild the cabinet because I measured
small.
Well, I measured these based off what we assumed that they were going to be in the beginning, and it turned out better. So I got to rebuild the cabinet to accommodate for the subwoofers now that I've got the correct parameters. But
so
we're
smaller,
just gonna make the cabinet bigger,
a little bigger,
more efficient.
Okay.
And maybe we're going to go to I don't know, 19-inch board or something.
What's in here now?
That's a 14-inch.
14 here now. What amplifier do you have on here?
One Defponts AAK 4000.
Can we see?
Yes, sir. We're going to go down a step of power too because I got my OG US 50 HC that Dirk Eckler built me back in the 80s. Excuse me, in the early 2000s, late 90s. Okay. But anyway, we're going to do that 03 vintage US 50 in here, and we're going to step the power down one more time, build the box bigger, and try to keep the SPL score the same.
So with the older amplifier, it's going to be more efficient based off of it being, what, an AB amplifier?
It is an AB amplifier.
Okay.
It's cleaner, it's smoother, you know.
So we're going to play with sines versus power and
instead of playing with
lithium,
MOSFET, D-class, whatever, we're going OG, AB.
Okay, so what are the numbers out of it right now?
Right now, last night I tested with the US Amps 50, and it did 144 sealed on the dash at 980 watts.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna build another cabinet and see if that 980 watts will get us 3 more dB.
Okay.
Because I kind of feel like we're 3 dB down on the cabinet design.
Okay.
Now that I know the true parameters, so that's our goal: is find 3 dB and keep the watts the same.
Let's do it.
1K and see, how many dB we can find and play 1K.
Let's go.
That's what we're gonna do.
You playing stock 1K in what organization?
Playing DB Drag, right?
DB Drag.
I came from DB Drag.
Okay.
Back in 02, and actually I got my 2002 membership number back. So
2002, 22 years ago.
But I took a break for a while, recovering from a stroke, and so if I stutter a little bit, that's why.
Not a problem. We're glad you're here, though.
And I'm glad you want to hear this thing.
Yes, sir. Let's hear this thing. Close the doors. How you want me to do it?
You can leave that door open right there if you want to.
Okay.
It really doesn't. It rattles less, but it depends on whether you want to hear, and which I can't do sound quality right now with that motor noise.
Yeah.
People fix your motor noise, I'm guilty, but we're gonna.
Yeah, Gregory talking about some the Stinger RCAs to help fix those. So yeah.
You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie, share that beat of love.
Immediately to confiscate the monies. Fresh girl. My words said flowers, but you said you didn't receive. But you said you didn't need.
Find my remote.
That girl is a bit of practice. Small world, all the friends.
He said here, but send
We
it.
seen it.
Send it. Thank you, baby.
Hey, this is the, yeah.
Where can we find you on social media, man?
It's Gregory B. Neal
Uh-huh.
on TikTok and Instagram, and Gregory Neal on Facebook.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you, man.
Just wait. There's more fun to come.
Let's
Low
hey.
power games.
Hey, you know I'm gonna come with the camera. Let's do it.
That's right.
Let's do it.
That's right. Good to see you.
Always.